Tesla FSD sometimes cancels itself in a heavy rain situation. Just share with you my experience. Rain is getting heavy, but the auto wiper not starting. I am trying to manually start it, but too late. I lost full self-driving supervised, so I am driving manually. Foot has to be on the gas pedal. Hands has to be on the steering wheel. You see the dark blue line disappeared on the screen. FSD is based on vision. If the camera is covered by heavy rain, then it automatically canceled self-driving. And the auto wiper sometime not responding to heavy rain fast enough. I am changing autopilot features from full self-driving supervised to traffic-aware cruise control. So at least I have basic cruise control. No need to have my foot on the gas pedal. Maybe this is not the right way to handle this situation. Please share your ideas in the comment area.